Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today babe is not around, but I have two bodyguards here. Let them introduce themselves.
Hey guys, my name is Maureen. This one is my best friend here.
Yeah, and tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe on this channel.
Yeah. Tell them to like, comment, share, and watch the video till the end.
Hey guys, my name is Gloria. This is my real aunt. Please subscribe.
Thank you.
Please
guys, subscribe.
Yeah.
So guys, in today's video, it's a girl video. So yeah, as you see, my hair is shaggy. We are going to show you one way of growing your hair. Yeah, it's a natural treatment. So watch this video until the end, and you like it, you watch, you comment, you share. So let's go direct to the video. What you need in this treatment is only two things. Yeah, so we have one egg here. The egg is here.
And two avocado.
So guys, we have those two avocado and one egg, a tin and a spoon. So we are going to mix those two avocados and one egg. If you have coconut oil, you can add on it. If you have honey, you can add also on it. Yeah, and for it to have a best result, you can use a blender to blend the mixture. But for us today, the blender is not around, so we are going to use a hand. It's physically breaking down it, and then these two bodyguards here will apply it on my hair, stay it for 24 hours. After that, I will wash and I'll show you guys the results. Yeah, so let's go direct to the video. Tunagonga nyinyi mnagonga haina shida, unaweza ongea, tutakati
sawa,
hata sauti inaweza tolewa. Haya, tutenganezeni.
We just take these two avocados.
You cut it. Haina shida, hapo inaweza ongea, alafu itapelekwa haraka. Let me bring the knife.
Yeah, bring the knife in the kitchen. You stop the phone.
Gloria, stop chatting. Concentrate. I will not pay you. Hey.
Look, she's cutting the avocados. You must take a ripe avocados.
Are very nice. Yeah. Well, guys, you see how people are being tempted here. They want to eat the avocados.
You got to eat. You remove the seed.
It tastes really nice.
Yes. I'm taking my spoon here.
Okay.
It's very
You can eat that one, Mike.
This is moja ni mama wewe. Ziache zote hapo. Enda kaombe huko kwa gari.
Gwanda riba.
Riba ipatikane.
You remove the
inner part, the inner layer.
Yeah.
You see how I'm good in English?
Yeah.
Haina shida, hata ndo vizuri. Hapo inaenda haraka. Ama unataka uonekane full?
This is the avocado.
Hapo mtafanya haraka.
Itapelekwa haraka.
Alafu tena uteke manzi.
Hii inaenda YouTube. Mtu wangu mtaonekana huko. Mkienda shule mnaambia watu mnajua niko YouTube.
Kwani mbona wewe
we are finished removing the inner layer.
Kuna kitu inaitwa copyright strike. Ukiweka nyimbo ya mtu kwa channel yako, waweza pigwa strike, utolewe kwa hiyo.
Wait, take. Don't disturb us, we are in the work. You take this inner part to put in the dish. Yeah.
Let me take the
Take the knife. Give us another spoon. You know we are 2 people here. Eat. You want to eat? I mean the salt.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.
Now it's ready.
For chini.
Now the avocado.
The avocado is ready. It has already been mashed until slippery. So guys,
We are putting.
what a jokes. We are very serious shooting and someone there is doing avocado.
Now we are going to put our egg.
So we are putting
Our egg.
our egg. First egg. So guys, wamevunja mayai ya kwanza. We have to buy the second one. But in terms of eggs, you can buy as you want. If it's 3, 2, 1, yeah, as you want. Yeah, wake up.
This is the second egg.
This is the second.
And then you mix it thoroughly.
Mimi nyamaza, unajua watu wako serious.
Serious in the YouTube wewe nafikiri joke. Kama ulikuwa uko serious ungekuja to introduce video to shoot pamoja.
Now we are going to mix it
until it mixed well. Dora na jangalia hata badala
Sasa kuonekana kichwa.
unaogopa nini? Mimi nakaa wapi sasa ndo nikaa hapo chini?
Ndio tutachapa mbali. Kula hiyo sasa.
Hii inaweza umilisha tumbo.
Mimi utaala mpaka kesho.
Nitajaza choo.
kiuzito.
Bibi anaumia. Emka chini.
Nenda ukakauko na mai.
Njoo asimame hapa. Uone kama ni video.
Nyao na
Wase ukata kurudi. Fanya hivi.
Tuache kujitoa, mbona mbali sasa huko ujitoe. Wewe bibi una nini wewe?
Wataka kuonekana?
nataka kuangalia.
Njoo uangalie. Mbona mtaki angalie?
Angalia na
Tuangalia wewe chwani.
Simama hapo baby uone.
Siaka yapo hivyo na mic aone hivi tunafanya.
kwa rojo tamu.
Wait. Now it's mixed.
Don't shampoo.
Ni treatment, natural treatment.
Yeah.
I think it's ready now.
Yeah.
So it's time to apply on my hair. So munasimama ndo mni apply kwa nywele. So vile simama, mimi nataka kuregesha kamera hivi nikae hapo.
Na mwanaume.
Wapi? Mbona sioni?
Nasikia kujikuna.
Aya. Leta hiyo mixture hapa.
This egg.
Ionyeshe kila mkono.
Guys, the mixture is ready. Sema hi.
Hi.
Waambie subscribe. Subscribe.
Surprise.
Sema subscribe.
Now
Subscribe.
we are
Subscribe.
Subscribe
Yeah, to
Now
my
we are
aunt's channel.
to my app channel.
Aunt's channel.
To my aunt channel.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, that's my niece. So guys, the mixture is ready. It's time now to apply on my hair.
Yeah.
So these two beautiful ladies here are going to apply it on my hair.
Yeah.
Like a boss.
Bibi anafanya onekane.
Alafu
Huyu bibi ana nini?
Si unaonekana hivyo Gloria ama?
Mwambie bibi atoke bana.
You first separate the hair
Yeah.
into 3 segments.
wait,
Kichana.
kitchen.
This air.
Wajua utafua stuli atote. Nakwambia nisaida
How
kupanga.
are you
This
guys?
Yeah. Wait.
Gloria, wait first. You divide the hair.
Into
Don't
3.
comb, please. Just separate it. this way and this way, and then you start at the back. You come this way, back.
How are you, girls?
Not girls, guys. Come, you tell them what's your name, which class are you, who are you to me?
My name.
What's your name?
My name is Innocent.
Innocent who?
My name is Innocent Juma.
I am in class
Which class are you?
3.
3?
Sema I am in class 3.
In which grade?
3.
Grade 3.
Yes.
So who are you to me? Am I your sister, your aunt, your brother, your uncle?
Sema this is my
Now we are.
This is my aunt.
Okay, guys, see you.
Bye.
Baby, una ujinga wewe sana. Tukuju. It's time now to apply. So today I have this salonist here. I'm not going to apply it myself. They are doing it for me. They are getting paid. Yeah. 100 each.
Yeah.
When the hair becomes long, neat and smooth. Gloria bado hujapaka. Ah.
Maybe una
I thought
nini?
it slowly. Maureen, yeah. I'm sorry, that's a nickname.
I am the Shanice. You can is the Shanice.
Mimi natamani uingie hapo ndani ukuleo ukasikia hata.
Hata mdada kama nini.
Yeah, baby, sasa tukakula nini?
Amekaribia hiyo maana kama utafikiri wala.
Ameweka uso. Now see the hair now is becoming so long. Look now.
No, that's a miracle. You cannot apply it immediately and expect the hair to become long immediately.
You must
You have to
divide
wait.
them.
Huh?
Sema bwana. That is like shampoo.
This is a natural treatment, Mike.
You giggle.
I've done what you are taught. You Maureen.
That's
You know, after you are done with this side, you
roll it.
roll it and you put it in order so that it cannot fall on the client's face.
Yeah. And the hair will become soft.
Yeah. Mwone baby kule nyuma. Baby mbona waniaibisha?
Angalia, lazima ufikishe mpaka kwa ngozi.
Kwa ngozi, and then you will scrub the hair
Yeah.
after you are done at the entire head.
Yeah. Kwa mfano angalia. Kwani nina yako wewe
Aungi tu wajamini atuti.
hapa hivi
Najua Mungu tayari ndio kusema nini. Aungi tu amazee. Mko sahi kwa video.
Hey, umeona? This treatment really works. As you've heard, that Maureen has already started to say.
Sitoa atuti. Swaji ndio kwa video.
So,
Gloria
guys,
roll. Ndio hili.
you scrub my hair, the head.
Tunakuroll vizuri.
Even here.
Guys, this method is really disgusting to some people, but to me, it's better the smell, but my hair grows up. I don't care
Hata haina
the
harufu
smell.
mbaya.
Some people, you know, are very sensitive. They don't want that smell of mayai
They wear a mask.
until night.
Yeah.
Dipaka in the face.
So you put the what? Let me put this personally.
Yeah.
So guys, I'm done with this treatment applied on my hair. So now I'm using this karatasi ya mkate. Yeah, this nylon. Yeah,
Oh,
thank you,
bread.
Mike. What? Hey. I'm using this nylon to cover my hair up to 24 hours So we will meet tomorrow. I'll show you the result
We will meet
and how the hair
24 hours.
is. I think it's high time now. Time I apply this one. I don't have that hair cap, but I will try soon. Ondoka, wafanya nini? Uko na upuzi.
Everybody.
This nylon, guys, the nylon is already on my hair. It has already covered. So guys,
Baby,
I want Maureen to tell you bye because tomorrow she will not be around. She's schooling. So tell them bye.
Bye, guys.
On the next vlog. So guys,
See you in the next
girl, bye.
vlog.
Bye.
See you in the next vlog.
So tomorrow we'll be with Gloria. She's the one who is going to wash my hair. So
My name
bye
is
for
Innocent.
today. Guys, welcome back. So today is the second day. As you can see, I want to wash this messy avocado treatment. Look at my hair. So let me wash the hair and then I will show you how it looks. So guys, welcome back. I want to wash this messy avocado treatment. It's really stinky, but this is the second day after I have applied this treatment. So I'm going to use this shampoo here to wash my hair, but first I will start by water only to remove this treatment first. So let's go.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel
I'm done washing my hair. It really feels nice. As you can see, the hair is soft and fine. So I'm going to dry this hair using the blow dry. I just want this water to dry, and don't use the blow dry frequently on your hair. It is not recommended. So see you when I'm done blow drying. But before that, I'm going to apply the leave-in conditioner treatment. It's sleek in one. I'll show you guys. So.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no man. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you
Ribbon yangu nyeusi Gloria umeiona?
Shungi.
Watu na shungi zao.
Magita tuwe.
Imekatika.
Funga tu.
Tuna record. Hello. Ribbon yangu nyingine ya brown iko pale kwa begi juu. Naekelea huku juu.
even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you
Acha nizungushe.
Wazungusha hivi. The avocado is really working. Yanguke.
Haya. Zimekuwa nywele zako bwana.
See you on our next vlog. That has been the way of my treatment that I'm normally using. When I realize the new one, I'll show you guys. See you on our next vlog. Bye. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Lucia sema bye.
Bye bye.
Waambie wa subscribe, wa like, wa share.
Subscribe, you like and share.
Yeah, and comment.
And
Bye.
comment.
see you next.
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still